Air filters get dirty slowly. Ignore your air filter and you decrease engine performance and can cause permanent damage. We'll show you the basic steps. To change your air filter, you'll need a brush, a bucket of warm soapy water, and a towel. Check your operator's manual to make sure you have the correct filters and for important safety information. Air filter maintenance starts at the engine's air intake screen. Park the mower safely on a hard, flat surface with the engine shut off, parking brake set, and key removed. Make sure the air intake area is free of debris. If you find a mess like this, remove most of the debris by hand. Then, use a brush to remove the remaining material. You can prevent this kind of excess buildup by checking and cleaning the engine each time before you begin to mow. It's always best to do this cleaning when the engine is cold. Regular cleaning will also assure that the engine's cooling system works properly. The engine pre-screen we just cleaned only stops the large debris. Some engines have a removable cover so you can clean smaller debris from the engine screen. Our next step in making sure there's a good air supply to the engine is to check the air filter, and if there is one, a pre-cleaner. First, remove the air filter cover and check the paper element. It's your engine's last defense against dirt. Paper air filters should not be cleaned. If a paper is dirty like this one, remove and discard it. Do not try to blow dirt out of a paper element. You may tear the filter and allow damaging dirt into the engine. Don't try to save a few bucks only to have costly repairs in the future. Many mowers do have a foam pre-cleaner. If the foam pre-cleaner is dirty, carefully remove it. Wash it in a solution of warm water and liquid soap and rinse in clear water. When the pre-cleaner is clean, squeeze out the excess water. Then place it in a dry towel and continue squeezing until the pre-cleaner is dry. Once dry, reinstall on air filter. Then insert the new air filter and replace the air filter cover. How often should you replace the air filter? For a typical homeowner, at least once a year. More often if you mow many hours each week or mow in dusty conditions. For the recommended maintenance schedules on your Z-Track, there is usually a machine maintenance decal located under the seat, or check your operator's manual. That's all it takes to make sure your mower's engine has the fresh, clean air it needs. Proper maintenance is the best way to make sure your mower starts quickly, runs efficiently, and mows a beautiful lawn. To purchase parts, visit your local John Deere dealer or go to www.jdparts.deere.com.